All right, my friends, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So this vehicle came in this morning, and while we was doing our complimentary visual inspection for the customer, we observed that there was quite a bit of oil underneath the vehicle. If you come underneath here, you'll be able to see we've got quite a bit of oil dripping down, and I'm pretty sure this one was probably leaving a puddle in the driveway, but so you got oil that's actually pulling up in the bolt heads. This is the oil pan, that's the oil pan gasket. So while it may be an oil pan gasket that's actually leaking, if you look up farther, the oil is actually coming all the way from the top. So it's most likely a valve cover gasket or something along those lines. I believe they're in the process of actually diagnosing this one right now to figure out the exact source. So what that'll look like is he'll come in here, he'll clean all the oil off. They'll probably put some dye in the oil and run it and check it with a UV light to see where that UV dye shows up first, whether it's a valve cover gasket, intake gasket. It could be an oil pan gasket, and sometimes what we find is it's actually leaking from all of the above, and so that has to be resolved. But anyhow, they'll get it cleaned up, but as you can see from what I just showed you, you can't tell exactly where it's coming from because we already know that if we just put a pan gasket on it, that's not going to actually solve the whole problem because the oil doesn't flow upwards. It flows downwards, just like water. It always goes down. So the fact that there's oil way up above, my technician will get to the source of that, and we're going to be able to handle the repair. We're going to have this lady a clean driveway once again, or a clean garage floor, and some peace of mind while she's driving down the road that her car's not going to run out of oil. See y'all in the next video.